No, I don't know. Ma'am, it's very funny story.
Isn't it? It's very funny story.
Allah.
Shubhan, quickly tell him. Pranav is. Shubhan, quickly tell me what is the story about.
One day, one captain has he was
Pranav,
tired and he was resting.
Slowly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pranav, I know that.
Arey Tanishka, keep quiet. Ma'am, one day a cab sailor came and was very tired and he think that he should rest under tree. One monkey came and stole his cap and ran away. Then he was thinking how to get the cap, how to get the cap. Then he was dancing on the monkey. And then he realized monkey don't know what to do. He threw his cap. No, he threw something on him and he threw his cap on him and he gone.
Pranav, did you understand the story? Yes, the story says that. आपको समझ में आई?
Subhan's voice was breaking. Pranav, ma'am, can I say him in Marathi?
Okay. Wait. Ranishka, thamba. Pranav, do you know Thirsty Crow?
Yes, I know.
Okay. So, what is the story of? Everyone listen. You all are going to enjoy this. Everyone listen. What was this Thirsty Crow story? Quickly summarize it.
Ma'am, it was a summer vacation. One crow was so thirsty, he was looking for the water everywhere.
Okay. Then what happened?
He was looking for water everywhere. But at one house, he got one pot, but the water was so low. Then he was sad, but afterwards,
Everyone pause. I can see lots of energy in this class. Everyone pause. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Please wait for your turn to talk. Wait. Okay. Pranav, she has told, Kanishka told that the crow was very thirsty. The crow was moving all over the jungle to look for water. Then what happened?
And then near a house, he got a pot of water.
Kanishka, wait. Pranav, then what happened?
And then the crow saw a pot, and so he goes to the pot, and the water was so low level. And so he was thinking. Then after some time, he have one idea. And that idea was he takes some stones and put in that, and so stones goes down, water comes up. And then after some time, then he put next stone, and the stone goes down, the water comes up. And then one more stone, and the water came up. So he did water freely.
Right. So that way he could drink water because the level of water raised. He thought of an idea, right? He thought of an idea, and so he could achieve that. The problem was solved because of thinking. In Cap Seller story, the problem was solved because of thinking. So if you know the solution, there is no more problem. Okay? Okay. So if you know the solution, there's no more problem. Do you all know the story of the tortoise and the rabbit? The hare and the tortoise?
No.
Yes, Vihan, do you know that story, the hare and the tortoise? What is the story? Please summarize.
When the
Summarize, man.
he saw the hare winning the race, but turtle ran after the hare.
Then what happened?
Then tortoise won the race.
No.
Okay. Ranveer, will you continue that story?
And what happened after that? After that, they both started running, and the rabbit was so jealous about the tortoise that he said, "Hey, what are you going to run? I'm so faster than you." They both started the race. They know that the rabbit will go really fast ahead. So the tortoise was walking steadily and slowly. And what happened? The rabbit went so ahead that he went to sleep only in the start. That's how slowly, uh, the tortoise kept walking. After some time, the rabbit got up and again went ahead. And again he went up to sleep. In that sleep, tortoise crossed him, and that's how he won the race.
Very good. So we know three stories. Which three stories? The cap seller and the monkey. We know the hare and the tortoise. And we know the thirsty crow. Now, creative writing is to be an author, okay? So when you know how to write creatively, you can become a good author. Today you all are authors. All are authors. Today you all are going to write a story, same story, the characters will be same, but the ending, the thinking will change. The solution to the problem will change. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? What is your task is, you can have same story, but change the ending of the story. Change the ending of the story. Means the cap seller threw threw stone on them, they also threw the caps down. So Shubhan, you are going to write on cap seller and the monkey. You will change the ending of the story. If not that way, then which way would he get the cap?
Ma'am,
If not that way, then which way? No, making own story. The same characters, same story, only the end part of it will change.
Ma'am, we have to
The ending will change. Yes, you have to change, you have to give your own solution to it. Please think and write. The story may be short, we all know the story. You have to change the ending, you have to change the solution to that story. How was the problem solved? Yes, Pranav.
The crow throws the stone in that, so we have to write next one.
Yes, you have to write something else. If not stone, then what? So Pranav, you will write on thirsty crow. If he did not throw stone, then what other thing he could have done? So he could have done 1 point, he could have done 2, he could have done 3. So you get solution for that. Okay? So you will change the ending of the story. Are you getting me? Kanishka and Pranav will do on the thirsty crow. You will change the end of the story and also give another name to that story. Instead of thirsty crow, what else can you call that story? Change the title of the story. Tanishka, are you with me, Tanishka?
I'm thinking.
Change the title of the story. Please keep your paper, your book, your pen, your colors, everything ready with you to make it creative and find solutions. If not this, then what? Okay, if not this, then wait, Ranveer, you are not writing on that. Shubhan and Vihan will write on the cap seller and the monkey. If not this way, then which other ways he could have got his caps? If not this way, the way it is mentioned in the story, which are the other ways he could have got his caps? And change the name of the story. And Ranveer, you have to change the story, the hare and the tortoise story. What could be the ending? If not that, then what else? Do you want to write on thirsty crow then, Ranveer? Are you not happy writing on that?
Yes, thirsty
You want to
crow.
write on thirsty crow? Okay, so you write on thirsty crow. So we have only 2 stories, the cap seller and the monkey, and the other one is thirsty crow. Please give more ideas. If not that way, which other way the problem could have been solved?
Ma'am,
and change the name, the title of the story. Yes, Ranveer.
can I make it the Hungry Crow?
Ma'am, I make that.
The thirsty crow. Change the name. Change the name.
Ma'am.
The crow was thirsty.
Ma'am,
The
I
crow
make
was
the hungry
thirsty.
crow.
No hungry crow. The
make the
crow
hungry
wasn't hungry. The crow was thirsty. Change the name to something else. Change the title.
Ma'am,
And
I have written
don't give
famous
out.
cap
Don't give
seller.
out.
Ma'am,
Don't give out the answer, please.
ma'am,
And your time
I have
starts
written.
now.
Ma'am,
Don't give
I have
up.
written cap seller. Cap seller.
We will discuss that later. You have 10 minutes to solve that. Quickly solve. Quickly solve
Ma'am,
what
I'm
the
not
activity that
thinking.
you are not thinking.
I'm thinking, but I can't.
Think you will get. अगर पानी ऐसे ऊपर नहीं आता तो कैसे ऊपर आता? और कौन से तरीके से हम नीचे वाला पानी पी सकते हैं? जो पानी बहुत नीचे उसको और कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्या कर सकते हैं तो पानी ऊपर आएगा प्रणव? The activity that we are doing today is called twist the tail. That means not the tail, okay? It's not that animal tail. It is twist the tail is story. We are going to twist the tail. I want you all to write only the ending part, the last part, and change the title of the story. You come up with different solutions. Come up with different solutions.
Ma'am, you are telling change the title so I can make it the Hungry Crow, right?
Why? But the crow wasn't hungry. You can also make Ranveer. You can also. This is how I quench my thirst. You can also make like this.
This is how
I am just giving you idea. You can also have water everywhere, but no water to drink. See, the title can be very innovative and nice. We have learned alliteration. Can we have some alliteration title? Cawing crow, craving for water, something like this. Call for water.
illustration the thirsty tiger.
The thirsty.
Tiger.
But we are writing about crow. Then how did you get tiger? You can have it C. Cowing. You know what is the sound of cow called? What is the sound of cow called? Cow. Cowing crow. Call for water. I hope Vihan is writing. Think and write. Think and write. Wow, Tanishka. Tanishka has many points to write. Good, good. Keep writing, keep writing.
I'm saying outside thinking and writing. Outside thinking and writing.
Yes, think broad.
When we have to write the moral of the story.
No, darling, you have to write, you have to change the ending of the story. Pranav, it's very simple. No moral. I want you to write what could be the other way to get the water. If not throwing pebbles in the pot, then what are the other ways he could have thought of? So what are the other ideas to get the water which is at low level in the pot? And you can change the title of the story. Don't write the whole story, only the end part. What could be the solution? One solution, two solution, three solution. One idea, two idea, three ideas. Very good, very good. Shubhan is all excited to write. He's coming up with new ideas. Nice. I can see Ranveer also thinking and writing. Really good. Tanishka, switch on your video. Let me see. Wow, Vihan. I can see him thinking. Very good, Vihan. I think you have many solutions. Good, good, good. Think, see, we have learned alliteration, we have learned rhyming words, we have learned how to make poems. You can use all that skills to write this story. We know kinds of sentences. Few sentences can be question, interrogative story. Few sentences can be exclamatory. Use all that skill to put in creative writing. We have learned animal and their sounds. Please use that also.
Yeah.
I can really see children thinking. Pranav, where are you, dear?
Ma'am, I am here only.
Okay, right. Right.
I have been writing my
Yes, Shubhan, I can hear you. Tell me, your voice is breaking. I couldn't comprehend what you're saying.
Ma'am, I have done my story. Can I read it?
Wait. Did you change the title of the story?
Yes, I have written famous cap seller.
Okay. Can you think of any other title? 1, 2, 3 titles.
Ma'am, I wrote the same famous Thirsty Crow.
Famous?
Thirsty Crow.
Why he is famous, Thirsty Crow? All right.
What I'm writing, they are
See, the titles can also be like this. Water, water, where is water? You know, that alliteration.
And
Those
Ma'am,
crow call for water.
ma'am,
Can I drink water?
You can. That's repetition. Okay, drink water.
ma'am, I have written as the famous cap seller and helping monkey.
Oh, those monkeys were helping. Okay, maybe looking at the ending of the story, they must be helping. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes and we are done. Quickly come up with solutions. Come up with ideas.
Okay. Can I read it?
Rihan, are you done?
No.
Last minute to go. Last minute to go.
And
All thinking minds and happy faces are writing.
I hate reading.
Oh, you all really looks like an author, huh? You all are looking like an author. I can see you writing. You all are thinking and writing. Good. My little authors. So Pranav, are you done? Shubhan is done. Vihan, are you done?
Not yet.
Pranav?
Not too many.
Oh, I can't give you 2 minutes. Time up. 30 seconds more. Quickly. We also have to read what you all have written.
28, 27.
Shubhan, wait, Shubhan. Shubhan, don't say that. I am keeping check on timing. You don't say. Everyone, stop. Stop. Keep your pens down and let us listen to what you all have written.
Man, you have 1 more minute.
Come on, come on. I want everyone to sit and listen to the ideas your friend have come up with.
And may I read?
Wait. 1 grace minute I have given them to finish. Shubhan, finish. Vihan, finish fast.
Okay. More.
Ranveer, come on, hurry up. Okay, Shubhan, you were the first one to finish. Then who is next? Pranav is next. Okay. Tanishka third, Vihan fourth, and Ranveer fifth. And stop. Stop. Everyone stop. And listen to what Shubhan is given ideas. Okay, Shubhan's idea of solving problem. Shubhan, please read loud.
One day, one cap seller was selling his caps. His caps were famous.
1 second, I'll mute everyone. Mute all.
After
Shubhan, wait, Shubhan. Shubhan, come on. Unmute yourself, Shubhan. Yes.